All right, here we are, April 29th, and the big river flooding. We had all the rain here in eastern Missouri. And this is at my brother's property along the big river. He's got a large bluff. The water is about 15 foot deep. The river's way behind that tree line. We expect it to rise another 8 to 10 feet. The river flows north in Missouri. And you may have heard it on the national news around Annapolis and things, about 9 inches of rain overnight. This area we had 4 inches, but the river runs north, so all that's coming our way. It's a really large bluff here. This bluff is about 30 foot in height. You can tell it's about halfway up the bluff, so it's about 15 foot deep at the bottom here. Thanks for watching.